Hello everyone, I am Ashish, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use field parameter. So let's download a sample dataset. So here we have financial dataset. We will load this and we have the data model. Let's take a line chart and suppose I take country in x-axis and profit in y-axis. So field parameter is basically used to change the axis. Like here I'm showing profit by country, so I can show profit by country or by segment or by product dynamically without using bookmarks or page navigation. Similarly, you can show profit or any other measures in y-axis. So let's see how it works. So at first I will create a field parameter for x-axis. So go to modeling, new parameter, and choose field parameter. Here you can name it as x-axis and choose the columns you want to show in x-axis. I will choose country, product, and segment. Add slicer to this page. Uh, Create. So here we have this slicer. We will format the slicer. Go to slicer settings, make it horizontal, single select. First, let me format this graph also. We'll turn off the x-axis title. Let's make it solid. Data labels and markers. I will add the border. Here we go. So currently I'm using country in x-axis. So I will replace this country with the new field parameter x-axis, and then this slicer will work. See. So currently it's showing country in x-axis. If I change it to product, it will show product for profit by product, and this is showing profit by segments. Similarly, we can do this thing for y-axis also for measures. So let's create some measures. Let's create profit measure. Size. And create one more. Mm, so it's all. Okay, so now we have three measures, and I will create a new field parameter for measures. Go to modeling, new parameter, field parameter, change it the name as y-axis, and I will choose the measures which I want to show: profit, then sales price, then units sold. Here I can change the name also. Let's call it profit. Sales price is fine. Units sold. Add slicer to this page. Create. make it single select, and now I will add this y-axis field parameter in y-axis instead of profit. Let's drag it to y-axis and it's done. So if I go to sales price, it will show me sales price by segment because segment is chosen in the x-axis parameter. If I choose units sold, it will show me units sold. So that was it for this video. If you learned something new, do subscribe the channel. Thank you.